Katanat social welfare ka sarkar jela ha ka artarik no pra arhaja arpusan kalayo banwan yalam no yaki arpusaw ngot ki khna kan thai na Chikkabalapura district ka jela Karnataka. Kini ki khna ki baha padeng ka pra hadu khatlai snam ki kan thop shipho ngot na East Khasi Hills, hinyo ngot na East Janti Hills, hinriu ngot na West Janti Hills but iway na West Khasi Hills. Yakini ki khna lapha shaka jela Karnataka daga jingthmu banpha pule ha Saumya Kisanupalli Student Home Penumale Chikkabalapura District Karnataka Henry Lalam bakate jaka kamde ga bayo jing ithu na ka sarkar jela Karnataka. Yaka program ban IT biang yakini ki khna shaka jela lapan long hapo ka hol jongga Directorate of Social Welfare kapadan ha Lachumir hakabala wan banyashim banta dak agatha sangma chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights MSCPCR ka kong Camelia Doreen Lingwa Director katanat Social Welfare na lor kiwe pat.
And I'm so grateful to the Almighty that He has blessed us with this wonderful opportunity where we could welcome the children back, the 24 children back from Karnataka safely, and they have come here safely and they are healthy, and I'm so grateful to all the people who are involved, all the departments who are involved, both from the state of Karnataka and Meghalaya, who made it possible for these children to reach home safely. So first of all, I welcome the children, and I want to extend my gratitude to everybody involved in ensuring that our children will come back home safely. Secondly, I would like to also say that these incidences are becoming very, very frequent. A couple of months ago, we were all gathered here with a similar incident where we were receiving children who were taken away from our state in an illegal manner, because it wasn't done in a proper way, and it wasn't done by an organization that is operating legally. So I think that it's really time for us to take note of this and see that these kind of incidences do not take place ever again in our state. Now, to ensure that something like that does not happen again, we as a commission, the SCBCR, have also written to our Honorable Chief Minister about creating a standard operating procedure. And this was done after we had a stakeholders meeting a couple of months ago, where we called members from different departments, officers from different departments like law, social welfare, education, health, police. We all came together and some suggestions were made in that stakeholders meet. Thereafter, we created a sort of a note which was sent to our Honorable Chief Minister, and we gave certain elements that could be incorporated into these SOPs, which is basically the purpose is that we ensure that our children go safely to these places and institutions, and it would be done in a more transparent manner and in a more coordinated manner. And this SOP would really be operating, or it would be targeting only children below the age of 18. So in this category, as we can see, most of the children are between the age of 8 to 13. So it would apply to these children as well. We also said that when these SOPs will be created, we should have a pre-information before departure that would be given to the DCPOs, so that when a child is being sent, these children, their basic information, their basic biodata, which institute they are being sent to, and the legal, whether the organization or whether the school or institute they're being sent to, is it a legally operational institute? That should also be verified by the state government.
We are gathered here today, it's because of humane individuals. The plight of these children, there are about 24 of them, and their ages range from 8 to 13 years old. In the name of education, wanting the best for the children, the mothers, the fathers have given them to the care of people outside the state to take care. But the Karnataka government found out that the condition in which they were housed in was not up to the standard for the care of children, the hygiene and the conditions. And because of this, they had written to the Meghalaya government. And for this, we are very, very grateful to the High Court of Meghalaya because all these had legal implications. And because of that, even the safety, the security, and the mental well-being and health of each and every precious soul, every precious child was taken into consideration. So for this also we are very grateful to the Government of India for the integrated child protection services, of which Meghalaya government has with us 600 personnel, of which 12 are our district child protection officers. I've requested them to sit right in front because it's through their collaboration with our chairperson, who are also our retired additional assistant deputy director of social welfare. They are now functioning as chairperson of Children Welfare Committee. So right now, these children are categorized as children in need of care and protection. In the name of getting better facilities, the parents have taken a risk and on a trust factor have entrusted them to an organization which had not been registered legally in the district from which they have taken these children from and outside the state. So as a state manned by our very empathetic mission mode Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma, we too have embarked on the journey to really care for our children. And because of this, you would see that social welfare, therefore, a department in the government of Meghalaya has been working, as you would have heard our Honorable Chief Minister say. We are no longer working with schemes and programs. In the very words of our Honorable Chief Minister, we want to see a Meghalaya where our people are happy, the citizens wear smiles on their faces, and we officers embark on a mission mode where we care about our delivery services, reaching out to the grassroots, to the last mile, and that our children feel safe, cared for, and protected.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.